Good morning. Good morning. Very good morning. Let few more children join. Good morning. English project is given, maths is given, Hindi is given, right? Now we have science class. Now in science also, as you all know, we are covering which state? We are covering Meghalaya. Yes? Yes. So now in science, we are going to make project on the food of Meghalaya. Means what is the staple food of Meghalaya? The staple food of Meghalaya is rice with meat and fish gravy. Rice prepared with fish and meat gravy. That is the staple food of Meghalaya. On that topic, we have to make a project. Clear? The topic of science? Food of Meghalaya. So, in the PDF, I am giving you one picture, but please don't stick only one picture. You can look for more pictures and stick. Food of Meghalaya. When you are going to search on Google, you are going to find many types of pictures of food of Meghalaya. You can stick on the left hand side, but write what I have given you on the right hand side. And if any space is left in two pages, then you can add on also. Mute your mic, then only you all will be able to hear me. Mute your mic, then only you will be able to hear me. Vidhi, Manvi, yes, mute. Yes. So the topic of science is food of Meghalaya. The staple food is rice and gravy of meat and fish. I am giving you one picture in the PDF, but you have to stick more pictures. So you can look for more pictures in Google, get the printout, cut and stick on the left hand side. And on the right hand side, you have to write about the food on two pages. The matter that I am going to give you in the PDF, if that matter comes in two pages, very good. But if any space is left or you want to add on something, then you are free to add. But do not exceed two pages. Okay? And I am not counting introduction. When we will, introduction page is the third page. So total project is of three pages. First page, your name class section, and then two pages, your project pages. Okay? I hope by now it is clear because English project is also given, Hindi is given, maths is given. So by now I think this much is clear to everybody that the project will not exceed three punch papers. Only three punch papers total you have to use. One for your name, class, section, roll number, and two for your activity area. Now, if there is any doubt, yes, ask Ritisha. Hmm. Yes, yes, you have to stick picture on the left hand side. Left hand side means plain side, and you have to write on the right hand side, on the rule side. Okay. When you are going to write your name, class, section, ask one by one. Yes. Who wants to ask? Who is this god of art? Who is this god of art? On your camera, I want to see the face of god of art. Let me see. Let me see the god of art. Show me your face, Mr. God. God, show me your face. You are God, na? I want to see God. Show me your face, God. God of art, show. Mustafa, you have become God of art. Huh? Okay. All right. What? You can write with ball pen, you can write with gel pen, you can use blue pen, you can use black pen, you can use sketch pen, you can use glitter pen. It's all your wish. The thing is, I want very neat and good handwriting. I want very neat and good work, pictures neatly drawn, outline done in the pictures. I want very good projects. Otherwise, I will give you zero. Okay? And you know I can give zero. And you know very well I can give zero also. Because I've explained so many times and very nicely how you have to do the project. And now I want good work. Social studies class is not today, so I'm not giving you social project. Okay, whenever there will be social studies class, then I will give you socials project. And about the timings, better that the timings are given, the timings are given. Tomorrow is social class. When is social class? So, okay, then tomorrow I'm going to give you SST project. No, we are not going to wait till Saturday because it will be too late. It will be too late. Tomorrow I'm going to give you social projects. What? No, not Saturday. Tomorrow I'm going to give you the project. Social project. Okay. And don't get confused. Wait. Wait. Who said bye? Who said bye? Who is going? Who is leaving the class? Until and unless I say bye, you cannot say bye. Wait. I'm saying who is getting confused regarding the timings of the class. Timings of the class are same what you have in TT2. Timetable 2 timings are given from 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock timings are given. So in TT2 9 o'clock timings are given. So in winter you have to follow the timings from 9 o'clock. 20 minutes class and then break. Okay. Till now, so you all must be familiar of the timings. Yes or no? And Hania is not in school dress today. Hania is enjoying in color dress. Enjoying class in color dress. Okay, but no problem. From tomorrow, I want everybody in school dress. Okay. So I'm going to give you the science PDF. Please stick more pictures. Not only one picture, stick more pictures and write. Okay. Now we are going to meet tomorrow. Bye bye.